What is up, YouTube family? Today we are exploring America. Land of the free. Terve see riik ajab niimoodi, sest ma olen stressiolukorda, see on crazy. Ma ei julge midagi teha, ma saan kohe tina. Ja mitte Kärkunni mõttes tina, vaid ikkagi Kuuli mõttes tina. Pilates. Hevi. Saab üle. Ma ei julge siin üle minna, nagu ma reaalselt kardan kõike. Ma olen liiga paranoiline. Õnneks siin on nagu normaalselt aeg üleminekuks. Siin on buss, see on crazy. See on Ma ei julgeks siin motikaga sõita nagu. Ma ei julge, no okei, juba autoga sõitmine on niuke piiriala, aga nagu motikas helna. Ma sain täna teada, et ma olen üks paranoidline asshole. Nagu ma olen täna õppinud seda. Well, Costco, guys. Of course we bring the boom. Boom! 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 Consumeris on pikk. Okei, ma ei näe lõppu isegi. Ja seal on reaalselt, nüüd on nagu mingi teise kujuga vagunid tulevad. See on nagu mingi kütus. Kus on minu Elron? Õli, raha, õli, raha. Kiire kool. See on nagu koomiliselt pikk rong too, ma ikka veel enne lõppu. Roads work ahead. I sure hope it does.
Oh, keyboard. Oh my god. Joo, ma ostan selle enne skate beats. Toll on perre. Kalli perre. Oh, kikroon. Kikroon. Ole õnne.
Mul on...
Klopp. Oh my god. Mul on klaviatuuridega siin praegu. Oh my god. No.
Mis asi?
See on crazy.
Ma tahan sükest endale. Aga mitte seda kuuvitada. See tundub nii organiseeritud, see on nii kahtlane. Võite kas...
lamped.
Räägi neist teil on lamped.
See on Lego lamped.
Oota, mida?
Oh my god. See on odav. Kuule, see oleks
500, aga ma tahan nagu... Ma ei võtaks seda daily driveriks, ma ei võtaks Lego.
Ma kind oleks niisama austada. No pigem seda, sest mul ei ole lampmäedi, aga nagu...
Ja ma mõtlengi ka, et minu see crazy pind on lõpp.
Seda peab Liiale näitama.
Liia.
Lego klaviatuur.
Yeah, but Keychron isn't popping off. They're a big brand, and there's like banana. They're like super creamy, super. Yes. Yeah, we have it in black too, same price.
Recording the experience.
Yep. Sure. Micro center reaction.
Okay, yeah. Thank you. I'll be here.
Aga mulle siit pargi.
Liiga sõbralikud.
On tihti naisida.
Lüün tihti näiti küll.
Big fumble.
See kõige uuem.
No.
Lapet lõigast, tal on 2 numerit.
What?
Jaa.
Okay.
This rocket inside of this building is a Saturn V, which is the type that was used in the Apollo missions to bring our astronauts to the moon. There are only 3 Saturn V rockets in existence left on Earth in this building that simulates the extreme cold temperature of outer space. Telescope was tested right to perform tasks and experience missions just like they would in a real mission.
mõtle, kui nõme see käes töötab, kui inimesed käivad akna taga vaatamas.
Hires this.
24-hour period, astronauts on board the station witnessed 16 deaths after decommissioning the Space Shuttle program in 2011. That is until the launch of the SpaceX rocket in 2012 into deep space. Engineers and astronauts 6. The launch of Artemis 1 in November of 2010 about Earth in the Mission Mars exhibit back at this building on our left that housed the mission control that Jack Swigert was speaking to when he said, Houston, we've had problems aboard Apollo 13. The last call for the Apollo rocket.
Ei, tal ei olnud Saturnil pigem ette jõudnud. Ei, tal ei olnud. Väga viikab ameeriklasi.
Lennart vihkab ameeriklasi.
Aga?
Big rocket. Big white rocket.
Big money.
Big white rocket.
They also use Paul and Castor for weight. I saw myself.
They know the meta.
They know.
They know.
See on üsna torn.
Yeah. Launch escape system, my favorite.
V8 motor.
I think it must be done.
We did 15 people liked your post. Walmarti kohta. 15.
Ma peaaegu jäin magama.
Sa tõesti peaaegu jäid magama?
Ma ei suutnud silmi lahti hoida seal väga kaua.
Olite?
Ma tahangi jah.
America!
Kõik, mida silmaga näha, on minu oma.
Mida sa tahad katsuda? Neid keraamilisi süsinikplaate, mis neil on seal all. Mitte teisi inimesi. Ta on nagu rümplein või?
Jaa, ta on
ei olnud drooninimestega. Ei olnud ka drooninimestega tegelikult, aga...
Jaa, real shit.
Jaa. Motor. 47 we go. Ah. Näed, see on see kate, mis nad mootori peale panid. Motor? What? See on nii chill ju. See on mingi... Jaa, NASA table. Me ei saanudki teisel korrusel käia oma lennukil. Lähme vaatame, ei saa üles või? Mis asja? See on skämm tõesti. Oo.
even more complex and daring experimental did the best job in the universe, at least from an astronaut's perspective, is going outside of the spacecraft.
The next day.
väga palju lärmi ja väga palju inimesi. Prantslased on kohal, mis on nagu kurb, aga okei, Soome kahjuks ei ole. Äkki on rootslased või ma ei tea, lätlasi.
Ma ei usu, kõigil samamoodi raha pole.
Raha, no money. First, please money, yes. Or you know, Lockheed Martin, money. I am ready to commit war crimes.
What do you think?
I also think. We also think.
I also think.
Robin, do you think? Robin doesn't think.
He doesn't also think.
Yeah.
Time to be annoying.
See on väga hea Rimo reklaam.
Slotsiguru, to your event today. Mul on vist liiga Ida-Euroopa hirmutav maik juures. Ma vaatage niimoodi. Ma reaalselt. Ma hoian mingit industry-karti. Raha liigub. Kahjuks kontolt minema, aga raha liigub. Selles mõttes, et taandareng on ka areng.
Firsti poode kontradiktib nende enda missiooni olla sustainable, sest need prod on lihtsalt prügi täis. Aitäh. Kes selle kokku pani?
Fish? You want fish? We have fish. Come eat fish.
We are sharing fish with the Americans. We giving them traditional Estonian fish. It is very good, very salty. Dried fish, dried salted fish.
Oh, that good fish. It's good. Good. We have fish.
Are we eating it now?
Yeah.
I'll share one with you.
Come to our box.
Yeah. I'll share one with you. You gotta show me how to open this.
Yeah.
You guys want to eat some fish?
I don't know. Choose a fish you want to eat.
Let's take a little one.
Which?
Just one of these little ones here.
All right.
Oh, it's salty.
You take this in your left hand, and with your right hand near the butthole, you just rip it. Oh, I rip too much.
Down the middle?
Yeah.
Close to the spine. We're going for the belly?
Yeah, and with the head up,
All right.
because there's nothing to eat there.
All right. Oh, no head?
Well, some, yes, head.
Like this?
Yeah, like that.
Okay.
All right.
I finished mine before you. Oh, wait. Did I throw the wrong half?
What?
I kept this half.
You're supposed to get this one.
Well, you did. Yeah, I took the one you had.
No,
There you go.
I'll share mine with you.
No, I'll find it. It's just bananas, right? How many fish did you eat today, mate? There's like 3 heads in here. So in Montana you can eat rattlesnakes.
Oh.
And all the good meats right behind the head, right down the spine, just like this.
Yeah. You want some?
Yes. Thank you.
And you did it yourself?
You want some?
Sure.
You gotta get from him. I don't know what happened to mine.
I can't believe you did that, man.
I turned fish into banana peels. It's a real trick. It's good.
It should be clean, but there could be some bones in there.
Is it just smoked fish or just dry?
Dried with salt.
But it's really nice. It's like it's not too salty.
It's a nice snack.
It is nice.
I'm jealous, Cody.
I will note, we knew you were here when you opened the box. We were setting up yesterday, right? And I think right when you opened the box, we were flicking around. Where's the fish? Is there anything in it? Yeah. Is this a magic trick? Then I find the fish tail in here? Gregor somehow snuck it out and put it in the box.
Gregor found it.
Where did you find it?
He kept it.
Gregor found it. Good fish.
Which
Fish
end
good.
do you have the cracks?
Which, just on the sides here.
And now you have to figure out how to...
Pretty big fish. Another big one.
Tastes like a twig to me.
Last piece. Good fish.
This is some Estonian chocolate. Compare that to Hershey's or something.
Yeah.
Oh, Hershey's is not good.
I remember 6 years ago I was here and I used to think they always advertise the Hershey's from Hungary.
No, it's advertised.
Yeah,
It's
I
not
bought
good.
it and I tasted and
It
I'm
tastes
sorry.
like vomit. It tastes like vomit. It's not good. No.
I'm sorry.
No, it's not good. I don't know why. I mean, they make so much money. They get it, all the chocolate and everything. Hey, look, it's like maybe 6% chocolate. The rest is syrup. I'll tell you what, America sells a lot of poisons. So you should. But my favorite is Doritos.
Okay.
So, yeah, this is very nice. Thank you.
noh, näe, siin on üks. Okei, seda ei ole. See mast on püsti. See on tehtud. Oo, see paat on keset platsi seal. Heavy.
Luggage. Väga good guy. Vaatame äkki eestlaste bitte, äkki nad on seal veel või? Jaa, me pidime neile kala pakkuma. Greetings from Estonia.
Thank you very, very much.
We heard that you have people on your team with Estonian background.
There have been, yes. And as a matter of fact, I believe Alex is. Yep.
Alex, yeah.
Yep. Cool. Thank you very, very much. We'll make sure they get this.
See on see järjekord. Kuule, ma vist ei taha.